guys, welcome back to Ms.TeesDollroom, and today I am so glad that you guys came back to take a look with me as I do a review and unboxing of the 2023 W Club Upgrade Doll Lemon Lullaby Poppy Parker. The W Club usually offers you 3 choices of upgrade dolls every year when it's time to enroll for the coming year. So Lemon Lullaby was one of 3 choices. It's always a Poppy Parker and usually a new face doll and a FR doll that they offer. And this year, this was the Poppy Parker choice. So when I first saw her, I thought she was absolutely gorgeous. Now, in addition to the $50 registration fee, you had to put down a $30 deposit for this doll, in addition to the $50. So that's what I did, and I was so happy to get this particular doll. Okay, so here is this great beauty. I call her that because I think she's one of the prettiest Poppy Parker dolls that they've ever made in any skin tone shade. So I love the vibrant of her yellow, love the color of her lip, like that magenta berry color. I like the fact that she is A-tone. I like everything about this retro look for this doll. And when I first saw her, I just gasped. I was like, wow, she is really pretty. Okay, guys, so I wanted to give you a closer look of her gorgeous face. Is she not beautiful? I think she's one of my favorite Poppy Parker dolls to date. Just beautiful. Such a lovely face here. And of course, I love everything about her frou-frou negligee. Love everything about it. All this yellow gauze edged in lace. Now, some of the edges are not finished. You know, they're not hemmed, but that's okay. But she's still really gorgeous, and I'd like to just go ahead and take her out of this box. And she also has an accessory tray up here as well. So let's go ahead and pull that out. And she has extra pair of hands, teddy bear, and some open-toe mules with the pom-pom on top, and some yellow earrings and a ring as well. So let's get her out of the box and take a closer look at her. I'll just give you some specs just to give you some more information about the doll. She has the Poppy Parker 1.5 body, and it's on a high heel body, so no flat feet with this particular doll. As she comes with a pair of open-toed high heel mules to wear with her negligee. She is A-tone in skin. I love the berry color on her lips, beautiful lashes, light brown eyes. Her hair color is black, and I just thought she was so striking, and I love the choice of color for this particular doll. I needed a little bit of vibrancy in my collection at this time, so I'm very excited. I've had her in the box for a really long time, and I'm finally getting to a place in my real life where I can devote a little more time to my doll collecting hobby. So let's go ahead and get her out of the box, and then we'll take a look at her accessories and everything that makes her so special. She has a whole lot of dress, guys. So let's just take a look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at this face. Isn't she just beautiful? Boy, that's a pretty doll. Look at her. Everything I love about a doll. Take a look at the back of her hair. Of course, you know, it's pretty hard. A lot of product in this. A lot of product in this hair. Everything that I love about a doll. She's just gorgeous. Here we go. So she has these plastic protectors over her legs, of course. Most of the IT dolls come like that to protect their joints. Let's see if I can find where this starts. Let's get that off of there. Here we go. One moment. Let me show you this. Get these leg protectors off of here. Okay, so we have her freed from her box. Look at her. She has a pair of yellow satin panties that match her little negligee and robe perfectly. Just beautiful. She also comes with a pair of high-heeled, open-toed mules with a little pom-pom adornment on top of them. So let's get these out of the pack. I am so excited to put this doll together and display her in my cabinet. So this is the shoe. Let me give you up close. Okay, so let's get her earrings in these ears. And let's see if I can give you guys a closer up shot of me doing that. I'm just trying to chill on this Sunday afternoon. Play with a dolly or two or three. I knew I made that hole a little bit too big. Let me see. What am I gonna do about that? That was just a little too wide, and it's gonna come out too. Let me see if I can bend that a little bit. One moment. Gonna bend it just a little. See if that'll prevent it from coming out of her ear. There we go. Perfect. So at least if it does slide out, it won't come all the way out. So that's a little trick I just taught you. Let me get me a better push pin. That might help a little bit. This time I'll try not to go all the way in. Just enough to get it started. Where's my earring? That's much better. Much more snug. There we go. Alright. I'm going to put that ring to the side. Put my tools over here. Get her shoes on. Pretty. Get that on her foot. Which way is that going? Is that curving in towards? Sometimes you can hardly tell which side these shoes, which way they're going. Okay. That's like I thought. Here we go. There we go. Very cute. Love it. Love everything about it. Let's pull her arms out from beneath all of this fluff. She is so gorgeous. Look at this doll. I'm glad I saved her for a day when I could truly savor her. And this is her cute little teddy bear. Let her hold on to it. So let's get her on the stand and get her stood up for you. Very quick and easy little video. Love it, love it, love it. David Buttrey, as usual, he knocks it out of the park consistently from the very beginning. Thank you, David. Okay, guys, we have Miss Lemon Lullaby Poppy on her stand. And the rotating stand is just a little too tall for this shot, so I'm going to turn her around for you so you can see all the fullness of her robe de chambre. Look at all these full layers. Just so pretty. I love everything about this doll. I'd like to see something like this in white. They've done this outfit in pink and blue, I believe, already. So pretty. And I'll take her coat off of her so you can see the little robe, what her nightie looks like without it. Or ribbons. Lined in the back. Just gorgeous. Very pretty shot. All the layers. This is just beautiful. Almost as pretty inside as it is outside. Here we go. So I pulled out some props. My Barbie Silkstone vanity. Thought I'd just play a little bit. Let her have a seat. Extend these legs a little bit and set her up. Going on here. Get those legs out front. there she is at her vanity. And I can't find for the life of me any of my vanity makeup sets. That would have been so perfect. And I did dig for it, but you know, I got to get this video out, so I kept it moving, guys. So if you have enjoyed watching this video and this unboxing, please, please, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, my YouTube stats tells me that over 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. So do me a favor and please subscribe. It does give me a little encouragement boost, a lot of an encouragement boost when you guys do watch my videos. It means a whole lot to me, and I'm making an intentional effort to try to post on a more regular basis. So I hope that you will please just go ahead and like the video. If you have questions, want to know where I got anything, or any questions about my collection, what have you, please drop me a line. But don't forget to subscribe and give me a like, and I thank you so very much for that, and for being patient with me all these years, for all the nice comments. And as I said, I plan to do more, and I hope to do more, and with God's grace I will. And I thank you guys so much for being a part of my channel and being a part of my life, and I will see you back in the next video, and peace and blessings to you. Goodbye.